Hi, and welcome to the Planetizen course on the Elements of Citymaking. My name is Jason Neville. I'll be your instructor today. A little background on me so you can understand where I'm coming at for this. I've spent about 10 years in public sector doing redevelopment and city planning, as well as about 5 years doing affordable housing development with a focus on small-scale affordable housing innovation. And our class on citymaking today is intended to connect and integrate the disciplines of urban design, city planning, real estate development and finance, architecture, community organizing into one coherent approach to how we move cities forward from the way they are now towards our vision of how they can be better. And a part of this is also to revive this notion of city making that was influential in establishing the field of urban planning to begin with. So you see this image taken from the 1909 Plan of Chicago by Daniel Burnham and Associates. It was sort of a canonical text, and most people think about it because of its design elements. But if you read this plan, as well as others like the Olmstead-Bartholomew Plan for Parks, Parkways, and Beaches, and Haussmann's Reformation Plan for Paris, you'll see that they're a lot more than just design inspirations. They're land assembly plans, they are acquisition of public rights-of-way plans, they create financing district and revenue sources. They really map out how to get from where those cities were at that time towards the future. And so one thing that I want to help bring into our profession of planning is a level of sophistication around the tools and strategies and interdisciplinary approaches to get us from where we are today towards that vision of the future. I'm showing an image here that may be familiar to a lot of planners. This is from Houston. It shows a neighborhood as it currently exists, the current state, along with a Photoshop version of the future of it. These are the kind of images that got me into urban planning initially because they were so exciting and I wanted to be a part of it. I spent the last 15 years of my career really focusing on what are the tools and strategies needed to get from where we are today towards that vision of the future. And there are three key elements of that city-making process that get us from where we are today towards that desired future: design, policy, finance. These are the three concepts I'll be talking about today in our course on city making.